Sense feels like a terrible dream from which we hope to awaken. Since childhood, Njambi faced life challenges with the heart of a lioness and the grace of a queen. She never allowed adversity to wear her down. Instead, she fought fearlessly, always emerging stronger. Her optimism was unshakable, and she had a unique gift for seeing the glass half full, no matter the circumstances. Njambi was more than just a daughter and sister. She was our protector. As a sister, I remember her vigilance whenever I went out, asking for phone numbers of everyone I met, ready to call if I wasn't back home on time. She was my biggest cheerleader, and her pride in all my wins was boundless. She was my best friend, the first person I spoke to every morning, and we would talk every day about every detail of our lives. We called each other Bebe, seeing each other as precious gifts to be loved and cared for deeply. In our family, Njambi was a comedian, lightening our lives with her humor. When our beloved grandma, whom we affectionately called Mami, passed away, Njambi made our grief bearable. She mimicked Mami's voice and lifted our spirits with her jokes. I can still hear her teasing about how Mami would always bake our favorite chips and eggs, especially when I asked for them. Njambi was our guide in so many ways, teaching us the latest trend and making us laugh with her explanations. In our lowest moments, she sat with us in our pain until it faded. She made us believe in ourselves even when we doubted. Njambi, we will miss you beyond words. You inspired us so much to pursue the things that matter most in our lives. You have left a big gap in our lives, and no one will ever be able to fill our shoes. The only comfort we find is knowing that you are free from pain, reunited with Mami, and sharing stories once more. We will always love you, now and forever, our queen, Mom and Barbara.
Asante sana. Kuna mori wako na nduthi imefunga baro. Ni Honda
KCL 172Z.
Tingua baro.
Okay, sio nduthi lakini sio nduthi, ni gari. Wacha tuseme ni gari ndio usikie poa.
Enda tu toe hiyo gari yako.
Honda KCL 172Z imefunga barabara.
Man.
Tafadhali. Also, just a request, kama umepata maji, let's not litter. Si ndio? Tukitoka kuna mali ya kuweka, kuna pipa ya kuweka takataka, beba hiyo chupa uende weke hapo. Tusikuwe na tabia mbaya.
Na pia kama unataka kunyora, sio huko kwa nini. Kuna toilet hapo nyuma. Unaingia tu hapo, unajibamba.
I don't know if unajibamba is the right vocabulary to say when you go to the washroom. But washrooms ziko pale nyumba, in case you need to use them, you can go enda ujibamba.
Man.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, I think we move on to the next part. I'm going to call Reverend Liz to take us through at least the next part. Reverend Liz, karibu sana.
Karibu sana, Liz.
Lazima uweke Reverend hapo.
Reverend. Pole Reverend. Asante sana.
Asanteni pia